Hello and welcome back, everybody. It's good to have you with us. Go ahead and get your marker or your pencil and go ahead and get ready. We're going to count by fives all the way up to 100. We're going to keep doing that until everyone is able to count by fives really well, because we're going to use that to tell time and to count money. On your mark, get set, go. Go all the way up to 100. If you get stuck, you can look at the computer and see mine being written out at the same time. Oh, I'm definitely not near done, but that's okay. Go ahead and finish up your numbers while I finish up mine. And then we're going to count all the way up to 100, because we're still training our brain how to do that. This is skip counting by fives, just like we've been doing skip counting by twos. All right, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We're going to do that one more time without pointing to each number. You guys are doing great. Count out loud with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Today we're going to count it one more time without pointing to each number. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and erase your board. The next thing we're going to do is count by twos. Okay? So I'm going to write them out. You write them out with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Nice job. Don't erase your board yet. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to copy that from the one you already have written. You ready? On your mark, get set, go. I want you to copy it. Just underneath it is fine. We're doing this because we're trying to get your brain to memorize the pattern of counting by twos. This is going to help us when we start our multiplication soon. All right, keep going. You have about 5 seconds. Nice job. Let's count out by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. One more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is count backwards from 20. So I'm going to go ahead and give you 30 seconds to do that, because this is still helping us with our subtraction. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Ooh, I made it just in time. Let's count backwards from 20 out loud so we can train your brain. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job. Let's do that one more time, but I'm not going to point to the numbers. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to write our two-digit numbers in standard form, picture form, and expanded form. Your first number is 51. 51. Write the number 51 in standard form, picture form, and expanded form. Here we go. 51. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 1, 1. We say 50. We say 1. So those are the two numbers we write. 50 plus 1. Here's your next one. 39. 39. Write 39 in standard form, picture form, and expanded form. 39. We have 3 tens, 9 ones. We say 30, and we say 9. So those are the two numbers we need to say. 30 plus 9. Nice job. Here's your last one. 87. 87. Write the number 87 in standard form, picture form, and expanded form. Here we go. 87. We have 8 tens and 7 ones. We say 87. So it's 80 plus 7. Nice job. Go ahead and clear your board. I'm going to write 3 numbers down. I'd like you to copy them on your paper. What I'd like you to do is copy all 3, and we're going to give the next number. Read this number, then write the number that comes after it. This number is 45. 45. What number comes after 45? We say 45. 46. Nice job. Here's your next number. Read this number. 60. This number is 60. What number comes after 60? 60. 61. Nice job. All right, read this last number. 75. What number comes after 75? 75. 76. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is practice our hundreds place value. Remember, we have hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay? Whenever you say 100, you know that there's going to be 3 numbers, 3-digit number. So let me say one for you. I'd like you to write it down. 174. 174. Nice job. 174. Just like we do with our 2-digit number. We can write it in standard form just like we did with 39. We drew a picture of 39. We had 9 ones. And then we wrote it in expanded form. You don't have to write this down. I'm just showing you this as a reminder. Remember, we just did this problem. We can do the same thing for 174. But this 100 looks like this. 100 is comprised of 10 ones. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So instead of drawing all 10 tens to make 100, we just draw a box. So when you see a box like this, it represents this. This is how we draw a picture of 100. So this would be 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look at this picture and this picture. it's the same type of thing, but now we're adding on the hundreds, which just looks like one big box. And then we can also write these numbers in expanded form, just like this. Just like with this one, we're going to say each number and write it. We say 100. So that's this one right here, 100. We say 70, which is this number right here. And then we say 4. So the expanded form of 174 is 100 plus 70 plus 4. Usually, when you start working with 3-digit numbers, you don't have to draw a picture. Usually, you only do standard form and expanded form. Okay, we're going to erase your board. I'm going to give you a number. It's going to be a 3-digit number. I'd like you to write it in standard form and in expanded form. You ready? 128. 128. 128. If we were to write that in expanded form, we say 100, we say 20, we say 8. 128. That's how you write it in expanded form. Let me give you one more number. 136. 136. 136. Go ahead and write that in expanded form. And then when you're done, take a look at mine. Did you get it right? You guys are working so hard learning all this new stuff. Here we go. We say 136. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is write out our touch points. Go ahead and write your numbers 1 to 9. And then I'm going to give you 30 seconds to add on all the touch points. On your mark, get set, go. We're training our brain so we can use this when we add and subtract. Because this is faster than using our fingers. And if you don't get done, that's okay. Because we're just doing this for practice. Keep going. Nice job. I'd like you to spend the next 30 seconds copying all that one time. You ready? We're going to do it one more time so our brain is trained. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep going. I want you to write your numbers and then add on all the touch points. Oh no, I was almost done. All right, take a look at your work. How'd you do? I know they kind of look kind of funny, like they have all these spots and everything all over them. Or some of these numbers are in jail with all these bars on them. But that's okay. That's to help train our brain. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is do our adding. Okay? So I'm going to write up some problems. And it's going to be up to you to decide whether or not you need to regroup. So go ahead and copy these problems down. And then I'm going to give you 30 seconds to add them. And then we'll figure out if we got the right answer or not. In some of them, you're going to have to regroup. In some other ones, you won't have to. And that's okay. We're just practicing those skills. So the first one is 28 plus 47. The second one is 57 plus 82. The last one is 19 plus 28. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go ahead and start that. On your mark, get set, go. Just go as far as you can, and then we're going to add them together. Remember, circle your biggest number and then count up on the other number. You have about 15 seconds. Keep going. Nice job. All right, I'm going to circle my 8 because that's the biggest number. I'm going to touch it, say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 2-digit number, so I'm going to put my 5 down, and I'm going to regroup and carry the 1 over here. I'm going to circle my 4 because it's the biggest number. 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice job. Okay, I'm going to circle my 7, 7, 8, 9. I do not have to regroup because 9 is a 1-digit number. I'm going to circle my 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's read that number. Can you say that number out loud? 139. Nice job. On this last one, we're going to circle the 9. Now, the biggest mistake kids make when they add on an 8, they go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is not right. You need to make sure you add inside, outside, inside, inside, outside, outside, inside, inside, outside. Just like I do here. You ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Put a 7 here, and I'm going to regroup and carry my 1. I'm going to circle my 2, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. Go ahead and clear your board. We are going to try something new today. Okay? I'm going to write this problem down. And I'm giving you the answer. And I want you to figure out if I'm correct. Take a look at the problem. Do I have the correct answer? When you're trying to figure out if someone else's answer is correct, the easiest way is to go ahead and do the problem yourself. So this is my first answer. Okay? The way to check your answer is to do it yourself. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 48 plus 25. I want you to write that on your board. And then I want you to go ahead and solve that. Circle my 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh. 4, 5, 6, 7. Take a look. Here, I didn't touch enough on the 5. I forgot to do the belly button here. Okay, so it should be 13, not 12. Nice job. Go and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is do a few subtraction problems. Okay, and it'll be up to you to figure out when I have to borrow or not. So go ahead and copy these problems down, and then when you're all done copying, you'll be able to go ahead and solve them. Okay, you got 37 minus 15, 68 minus 19, 84 minus 36. You have 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Okay, here we go. I'm going to circle my big number. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Nice job. Circle my 3, 3, 2. I didn't need to borrow. My answer is 22. Does this number make sense as an answer? I look up. 22 is less than 37. So it makes sense. This is a reasonable answer. This next one, circle my big number. What's bigger, 8 or 9? 9 is bigger. So that means big bottom borrow. We have to put a 1 in front of that 8 to make it 18. We stole that 1 from the 6, so we're going to make that 6 a 5. We're going to go ahead and subtract. And this is why we practice counting backward from 20, because we have to start at 18. Here we go, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Nice job. I'm going to circle my 5, 4. My answer is 49. Is 49 less than 68? It is, so that answer seems reasonable. This next problem, I'm going to circle the 6. It's on the bottom, so that triggers big bottom borrow. I have to make that 4 bigger, so I'm going to put a 1 in front of it to make it a 14. I'm going to cross off my 8. That becomes a 7. 14 minus 6, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Circle my 7, 7, 6, 5, 4. Answer is 48. Is 48 less than 84? It is. So that answer seems reasonable. Go ahead and clear your board. There's one more thing we're going to work on today. And this is introducing you to these symbols right here. These are symbols that you may have already learned in school. We call this greater than, less than, or equal to. Say it with me. Greater than, less than, equal to. We use these symbols when we compare numbers. When we compare numbers, we are saying which one is bigger or which one is smaller. We've already been comparing numbers in our head when we circle the big number in a problem. For example, when we had this problem a few lessons ago, we circled the big number. We said 8 is bigger than 3. We also circled 4 because 4 is bigger than 1. So we've already been doing that. Okay? So when we use these symbols, we have 8 and we have 3. We're going to pretend that these are the mouth of an alligator. And I'm going to draw some teeth in there. And our alligator is really, 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 really hungry. And if you're really, really, really hungry, you want to eat more food. So when we look at this, 8 or 3, which one's bigger? 8 is bigger. So when we do this, we want the mouth to eat the bigger number. So when it's open like this, we are saying that 8 is greater than 3. This right here is how we write it in math, but we say it in words. 8 is greater than 3. If we had this right here, 3 and 8, it would still be bigger than 3. But look at the symbols. You see how 3 and 8 are written different? See now 3 is first, and over here 8 is first. When we say this in words, we would say 3 is less than 8. So that's the difference. So just introducing these right here is greater than, this is less than, and this is equal to. We say greater than, less than, always opens the mouth to the bigger number. That's all we have for today, everybody. Thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you next time. Don't forget that there's extra work available for extra practice. Have a good day.